Welcome back to the channel. Do you really know animals? Here are more than 35 questions about the animal kingdom to test your knowledge. Don't forget subscribe button. Ready? Let's go. Which one has black skin, polar bear or panda? Polar bear. Which insect makes honey, wasp or bee? It's bee. Which is the tallest, giraffe or elephant? Giraffe. They can reach about 13 feet tall. Which one carries its young in a pouch, kangaroo or sea lion? Kangaroo. Which bird is associated with delivering babies, stork or flamingo? Stork. Which animal hibernates, deer or hedgehog? Hedgehog. Which one is called the king of the jungle, lion or elephant? Lion. Which animal produces ink to defend itself, jellyfish or octopus? Octopus. Which one is a reptile, frog or snake? Snake. And remember, frogs are amphibians. Which whale has teeth, cachalot or whale? Cachalot, sperm whale. Which one can walk on water, basilisk or gecko? Basilisk. Which is the slowest in the world, koala or snail? Snail. Which one has teeth, snail or turtle? Snail. It has a tongue covered with tiny teeth. Which one has the longest horns, antelope or bighorn sheep? Antelope. Which animal can sleep standing up, bear or horse? Horse. Which bird is the smallest, hummingbird or sparrow? Hummingbird. Which one doesn't have a brain, shrimp or starfish? Starfish. Which is the national animal of Australia, koala or kangaroo? Kangaroo. Which one has 3 hearts, octopus or dolphin? Octopus. Which animal has the strongest bite, lion or crocodile? Crocodile. Which one has 2 humps, camel or dromedary? Camel. Which is the largest fish, whale shark or great white shark? Whale shark. Which one can swim, ostrich or penguin? Penguin. Which one can regrow limbs, frog or starfish? Starfish. Which animal is famous for its laugh, hyena or chimpanzee? Hyena. Which one uses a web to catch prey, spider or ant? Spider. Which one cannot fly, goose or chicken? Chicken. Which one can fly backwards, hummingbird or eagle? Hummingbird. Which animal is known as man's best friend, dog or cat? Dog. Which one has a tongue longer than its body, anteater or chameleon? Chameleon. Its tongue can be twice as long as its body. Which one has square-shaped poop, rabbit or wombat? Wombat. Which one is a symbol of peace, dove or tiger? Dove. Which insect has a queen, ladybug or ant? Ant. Which one has 10 legs, spider or crab? Crab. It has 8 walking legs plus 2 claws. Spiders only have 8 legs. Which animal can live up to 200 years? Elephant or turtle? The turtle. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.